In the manufacturing program, I am here because I will like making robots, coding, and setting them up. It's really fun and it's challenging, but in a way that you can overcome.
You do robotic arms, you do mechatronics, you do AC/DC, so it gets you a mix of everything. It gives me training and experience that I can transfer to college, especially because I'm planning to major in mechanical engineering, so it's very intertwined.
We do a lot of hands-on. Students are learning how to put together DC circuits and AC circuits. They're also doing mechatronics, where they're going in and learning how to do the schematic drawings. Then we're also learning how to go in and do all of the ladder logic through the programmable logic controllers. A lot of what we have it's applied hands-on. So I think it's a really good fit for a lot of students with a lot of different varying learning styles.
Georgetown ISD is redefining what high school can be, preparing students for college, careers, and beyond.